Hey, I'm Nova. And if you're a creator, I know exactly what your Sunday looks like. You filmed the video, you edited it, and now you're stuck, staring at Photoshop or Canva trying to make a thumbnail that doesn't look terrible. But what if the tool you needed was out there? And it's super affordable, just a reference image and the right prompt. And the result? This. That thumbnail took me about 4 minutes from scratch. Let me show you exactly how. Here's the thing nobody talks about. Thumbnails are one of the most important parts of your video. Like, your video could be incredible, but if the thumbnail is weak, nobody clicks, nobody watches. So creators do one of two things. Either they spend forever trying to figure out Photoshop, or they just skip the thumbnail and wonder why nobody clicks. But if you know how to use an AI tool correctly, you don't need more than 5 minutes to create a thumbnail. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Okay, so the first thing I do is find a reference thumbnail. Doesn't have to be yours, just something you like the vibe of, the energy, the colors, the layout. Now, here's where most people go wrong. They just describe stuff in plain text and hope for the best. What I do instead is I take that reference image, drop it into Claude or ChatGPT, and I ask it to write me a JSON prompt with all the visual details. Why JSON? Because it keeps everything organized. So here's what that looks like. I paste the reference. I say something like, write me a detailed JSON prompt for an AI image generator. Include background, lighting style, color palette, text layout, social media icons, atmosphere. The main subject face will be added as a reference image separately, and it gives me back something like this. Now I take that text, I go into Nano Banana Pro inside Candy Mustache, I paste it in, and I upload my face reference photo, or I use one of my old creations. Just a clean headshot, natural light looking forward, and I hit generate. That's it. That's the whole thing. And if you don't like what you get, just click generate again. Or if you want options to choose from, you can run multiple variations at once and pick the one that feels right. The formula is simple. Person on the left pointing at the text, bold stacked copy, neon lighting that pops, and a few context props around it. Cover those 4 things in your JSON prompt and Nano Banana Pro will nail it every time. So that's it. Reference, JSON prompt, face reference, and done. If you want to go deeper, Candy Mustache has thousands of motion graphics templates for After Effects and Premiere Pro, plus courses too. You can go with a one-time payment, a subscription, or both. And your credits never expire either way. Link is in the first comment. See you in the next one.